Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So here we have item number 2 out of 5 for the £50 bulk buy broken electronics. So previous video was the DAB clock radio that wasn't working, the buttons weren't working, which was a simple fix. It was just something was pushing against the membrane board for the buttons and just needed to be taken apart and reassembled. That was easy. So this one we've got here today is number 2. It is a JBL pure bass wireless headphones, and we've got in here the parts not working, not turning on. So let's get to it, shall we? Right guys, so now that's unboxed, let's do a quick assessment, visual inspection of condition of these headphones. See if we can see anything obvious, and then if not, we'll get it apart. There are some marks here. I'm assuming this is Amazon returns again, and likely new, but I have come across some stuff that's been returned that is definitely been used. But yeah, these are just a cheap pair of headphones really. JBL, I've worked on a number of products before, including headphones and radios, speakers, and the build quality is subpar. And sometimes it's not even worth repairing them because there's no profit in trying to sell them on. So this side is the right, which has got the buttons for controlling the device. So we've got a plus and minus, I guess a pause and play button, and then we've got a power button. Nothing. Nothing! Okay. Okay, so inside here we have a Type-C port for charging. Let's get a charger lead in there with my current meter and see if it draws any current. Okay, so we're going to use my power supply to supply voltage and current to the device. I'm going to use the cable that's supplied with the device. So let's plug it in. So we are getting some draw of current, sitting at 0.09. Let's drop to 8. So I'm not sure if that's the normal or nominal charging current for the device. It seems quite low to me, but it's hovering around 0.08 amps. So what I'm going to do is give it 5-10 minutes and see if it's charged the battery within inside. But as you can see, we've got a charging light, so it's doing something at least. Okay guys, so left it a little bit more than 10 minutes, still charging, and the current draw has dropped to around 0.4 amps. See if it turns on without any power being plugged into it. Nope. Push and hold. Nothing. Nothing at all. Right, let's get this apart and see what we can see.
Let's do this.
Let's remove this and see what lies underneath. Okay, looks like I was wrong. There is no battery. Unless it's hiding. No, it's only 2 wires going to the speaker. So I'd imagine it's in here. Right guys, let's measure the voltage on the PCB for the battery coming into the board. So be these two here. So multimeter. Set it to DC. So we've got positive on the left and negative on the right. Let's put these together. So I've got 4.1 volts, which, or 4.15, which is nominal for a lithium-ion battery. So yeah, that's the top voltage for the battery. So it doesn't look like it's a power supply issue. So it's going to be something to do with this board, more than likely. Let's see if I can get my probes on this. This one here, that's the power switch there, isn't it? Let's see if I get my probes on that switch and see if we get a signal. So, continuity. Right. That switch is working. Let's just confirm with a working switch. So outside one's continuity. Push button breaks the circuit. And then if we put the middle pin to either left or right and then depress the button, we get continuity. So the switch works. However, it's not turning on. Alright, this could be interesting. Not so simple, is it? Right, I think the next point of call is to take this board out and go from there. Get under the microscope, check for shorts. Let's do that. So let's get under the microscope and see what we can see. And again, if I just show you under the microscope, with my probes. So the two outside pins will be closed circuit. And then if I push the button in, or a bit of one, without this button pin pushed in, the middle pin, nothing. Push the button in, so the button works. So I'm guessing these two outside ones are ground, perhaps? Yeah. So I mean, to me that looks like it's been... What's this? Can I touch it? I just need a reflow maybe? That doesn't look good, does it? Does not look. How do you touch it? Ooh. They are. Could that be the problem? We've got a short. I wonder if there's a shorting out capacitors as well. I'm just going to put the negative probe on ground, and let's just probe capacitors. These might be inductors or capacitors, not too sure. So one side should be grounded, the other side shouldn't be. So if I get both sides grounded, that's normally an indication that we've got a short or the capacitor's failed. First thing to do is take this off or just reflow it, because we're getting a short across these two. What is this? IC? PMC? It's my mind here. Double check that again, make sure they're definitely touching. Right. Before we take this off, before I attempt to remove anything, I'm going to get some aluminium tape and cover up some of the other components. Try and protect the rest of the board. The board's still going to get hot, but try and shield some of it and stop other stuff from working itself loose. But yeah, I'm just rigging this right now. There's nothing really obvious apart from them two pins coming together. Yeah, like I said, I'm no expert. It's purely a hunch now with it. Let's see if we can get that off. Right, hot air. I'll set to 8 airflow. Let's go. Let's go 350. Let's get some flux on there. So I just want to take it off first and see what under the board, see what the condition, if there's too much solder on there, or you could just reflow it and try and keep it in place, but just want to get it off. It's still on there pretty well. Just let the board soak up that heat and eventually increase the temperature to 400 Celsius.
I'm baking like a toasted teaser. It's so hot here.
Still not leaving. Alright, I'm seeing the solder melt. Ooh, actually, that's now.
Oh!
See those pins there? You see that short's gone? I think a reflow just sorted that out. Might not take it off completely actually after. So we just reflowed that. Solder's melted and it's gone back into, soaked back into the pin and the chip. And no longer touching anymore. Okay, well, let's try that. Let's get it soaked. Let's try and clean it. Here's my toothbrush. Sorry, camera. Let's try and get rid of that flux while it's still hot. Ice bubble alcohol. Just give it a clean. Well, looking at those pins, sorry for that noise, it's the hot air still, it's just cooling down, it'll turn off automatically when it's cooled down. I should have some cotton buds somewhere, there we go. Let's just right. Those pins are not touching anymore. Just look, let's get a side view of the chip. I'm guessing this is the main controller chip, main IC for the whole board, doing all the various inputs and outputs. But from the side, where we had two of the pins joined together, they're now separated. That's good. Let's go this side. Let me focus the microscope. Again, that one's fine. And this side, let me just focus it. Wrong way. That one's fine. And then last side. Again, let me focus. I've got this all manually. That one's also fine. Right, okay. So that was orientated that way. Let's just double check on those pins that none are touching. So let's get the multimeter out again, continuity, and we'll just go on each pin. So let's just go from top. So continuity, no. These two are fine. These two are fine. So me touching the probes together. This is very small. They're fine. They're fine. They're fine. They're fine. They're fine. I think they were the ones that were originally connected together. They're fine. They're fine. They're fine. All seems pretty solid. Now, shall we wire this cable back up the power? So we get some power into it. I'm just going to use my own battery for this, but the wire is long enough now for this. So if we turn that around, so I'm going to wire up the headset back to the board temporarily, just for the power. One. Right, we should have power to the board now. Let's try that switch, see if we get any fancy lights. Oh, we do. Huzzah! Huzzah! So let's just show you that again. So that I just turned it on, off. So again, this is the power switch. So on. Ah, we never had that before, did we? Never had a white light. We had an orange light. This is the charging light, obviously, and this is the power on light. Awesome. Oh, now we've got blue light. Is that trying to pair? Is it? Let's see if I can find this on the old phone, Bluetooth. How can we pair this? JBL tune. There we go. Oh, I heard a beep. We're connected. Okay, let's play something. That's YouTube. There we go. Let's put a random video on. Advert. There we go. An advert. Safe. That is working. Let me just put the mic nearer to it.
Would he choose to accept it?
My humbug friend's success
Working.
at last. The Christmas.
We fixed it, guys.
We did it, you guys. We're totally heroes.
Okay, that was simple in the end.
Humbug headquarters in cunning
Right.
disguise. It was a race to the pot.
Awesome. So, it's just a short on this chip. Amazing. Right, let's get these wires back on. So I've got the new tip on, slightly smaller. This is the one I had before. Too big. Some flux. I do have an extractor fan, but I've not got it on right now. Still need to set it up properly because it gets in the way at the moment. But yeah, probably would help to have that on. Let's get these on. That's the positive on the speaker wiring. That's the negative. Let's turn it around. So we have blue on left minus. Which is this one here. Might use the microscope for this. Be easy for myself to see. Then the green one next. Then we want the white one in the middle for the positive side of the battery. It's being a little bit annoying. I'm coming this way, the tweezers. I need to get some better tweezers as well. These are just cheap ones. They do for now, but I could do some better ones. Just going to heat that one again. The pads on the battery terminals take longer to soak through heat. There we go, that's better. Now for negative. Let's get this out of the way. A lot of heat needed to soak these in. There we go. Couple seconds and then lift. Great. Now for this wire, last one. See how quick that one is. Right, that's all the wires together. So before we go any further, let's turn it back on. Now it's getting its own battery and see if it functions. Okay, bit of light. So that's connected to my device, my phone. Let's put the speaker on top. Not clamping on the wire. Let's play a video. Oh, I hear sound. So if I bring my mic,
Our agents look doomed. Will they fail?
works. Let's just test it myself. Left, yeah. Right, yeah. Okay, let's turn it off and put the speaker back together. Right guys, it's all back together. Let's test it. So power. Boom, connected. Right, let's start my video on my mobile device. There we go, volume up and volume down. There we go, volume up again. And pause. play. Boom.
Boom.
Awesome. Well, it was a little bit more exciting than in the previous video. There was actually something wrong with this, which was just a short on the IC for the, I guess, main controller chip on the PCB. Just two of the pins short together with a blob of solder. So managed to reflow that chip, test it, put that together, and here we are. So yeah, I'll be selling this on as second hand, but for what I paid for it, I'll make a little bit of a profit still. These don't go for much anyway because they are just cheap. Yeah, but let's pause that. Or let's just turn it off. Alright, let's turn it off now. But yeah, they're quite cheap. Anyway, brand new, so there's not much really to be made with shipping if I sell it on, but still, regardless, be a small profit there. But again, something that can be used and not destined for the landfill. So yeah, great stuff. So next time we've got item number 3, and let's just so that's item number 2 done out of our job lot of 5 broken electronics. So we've done the clock, the FM clock, we've done our wireless headphones. Next we'll be doing on episode 3, the next episode, is a pure DAB FM radio. So this one has no sound, so that could be interesting. So yeah, till next time.